Hi everyone, this is June and Mary. Join us on our daily walk while we explain our Valentine's Day raffle.
Since January, part of our routine na talaga yung mag-daily walk after work. Pang reset, life updates, planning dates, or simpleng magpahangin lang.
And habang naglalakad kami one day, naisip namin, malapit na yung Valentine. So bakit hindi kami mag-share ng love?
Lagi rin naming nadadaanan itong isang local cafe dito sa barangay, yung The Yellow Lemon. Chill, cozy, and perfect talaga for dates.
So sabi namin, dito kaya, support local na, may magandang date spot pa kayo. We talked to the owner Mark, nakipag-meet kami sa kanya, and we purchased some TYL gift vouchers para sa raffle namin sa inyo. That's the story behind this raffle.
Here's how you can join our Valentine's raffle giveaway. Dalawa ang mananalo. Romantic date for you and your partner, pwedeng girlfriend, asawa, or kahit yung crush ninyo. And barkada date for you and your friends or even your family.
If you wanna join, simple lang naman yung mechanics. First, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Just search June and Mary and you'll find our profile. Second, comment kung sino yung isasama mo sa date and make sure they're following us too para updated sila. Third is share the raffle post on your profile and make sure na it's public para valid yung entry. One comment is one entry para more chances of winning. The people you tag can also comment and follow the mechanics para may sarili din silang entry. More chances to win for the group.
Tapos para transparent, we will announce the winners through a live raffle. Gagamit kami ng Roll It Picker para totally random and fair.
So abangan nyo na lang yung live namin dahil baka kayo na yung winner. And honestly, naisip lang namin tong raffle na to habang naglalakad. Kasi ang sarap mag-share ng love, especially this Valentine's. So tara, join na kayo dahil baka yung next date ninyo, libre na. Follow us for more affordable and memorable date ideas. See you on our next video. Yun lang, thank you for watching. Bye!